This is tutorial 20 from Njan in JavaScript category. Strict mode in JavaScript. What is JavaScript? Samples of JavaScript. How the strict mode is helping the to run the specific codes on healthy code. What is strict mode? It is used to follow the defined rules. It will throw exception while violating the rules. Helps to create healthy JavaScript program. I hope it is clear enough to describe about strict mode. Meaning the JavaScript having some set of standards, assigning the values after defining the variable. If you cannot override the variable, you could not use the keywords as a variable name. So like the way it having large set of rules, but we are trying to violating that or unknowingly violating that those rules. So this strict mode will restrict you to make a healthy code. Let me have a sample. uh, Let me show you one sample without strict. I am declaring one variable called x equal to 10. I am not declaring here, just I am assigning, but I am not getting any error. Actually, as per JavaScript standard, it is a violation. So let me try to use the thing using the use script. Use strict. It is a keyword to verifying our things. So here I am assigning one variable y10. This is also not get declared. So I am getting the exception. Y is not defined. Like the way I am going to use one more variable name where maybe I am using, maybe first I will show you without that. This equal to 10. I am okay. I already having the use script. Let me refresh that so that maybe break equal to I am assigning 10. I am considering as a var. Okay. The break keywords and all is a strict keyword. Let me try with this arguments keyword. It is also predefined keyword. I am assigning as a variable name. Here I can able to assign without this strict mode. If I am trying with the strict mode, I am getting an error, unexpected evaluation. Argument is strict mode. Like the way the strict mode will evaluate certain JavaScript rules from our codes. If we are trying to violate, it will throw an exception while running itself. So use the strict mode whenever is needed. It will make our code is more healthy. I hope you got a better idea. If you having any doubt, let me command in the command window so that I can clarify.